How to schedule a ride in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can schedule any trips. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see trips option. Simply tap on trips. So this is the section where you can schedule a ride. So on the top, simply tap on schedule a ride. So here you must enter the pickup or starting location and your drop location. So here enter both of the locations. Now here you can even set the time and date. So here you can set whichever place or whichever time that you want to. So here I'm selecting one, and now simply tap on next. So you have already scheduled a ride. Here on the bottom there are different options available, so you can choose the car in which you want to go in and simply select the calendar. Now at last, simply add a payment method and you'll be able to schedule a ride. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.